everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm going to jump right into the video. This is a video collaboration. This company reached out to me, sent me this mirror. Guys, this mirror I'm using is a 30 by 55 inches. So as you can see, if you're looking for your home to look like a 5-star hotel, this one is a good option. As you can see when I unbox the mirror, it's so pretty and guys, super modern. It's gonna take your home to the next level. Okay guys, as you can see, the mirror, all the detail, very nice. The bathroom makeover I'm doing right now is not done, but I just want to share with you guys the process, how everything is right now. So once everything is set up and done, I'm going to do a full tour with you guys. As you can see, again, that's the mirror that I'm using, 30 by 55 inches. And this is the back of the mirror, the unboxing is. And guys, I love doing my unboxing to show you what to expect if you order one like this. Okay guys, as you can see everything, so just turn the mirror to show you the front of the mirror. Guys, this is the bathroom that I'm working on right now. There's a lot of work to be done. My sister just installed the tiles, so I'm just gonna take the bathroom to the next level because, you know, as you can see how everything is right now. I really like the tile, how she installed throughout the bathroom, which is so great, but the mirror got to go. And guys, as you can see, everything that I'm dealing right now. So make sure to watch the video till the end to see how I transform this bathroom. This part of the bathroom is kind of naked, so I wanted to add something very nice here. Okay guys, this is the reveal. As you can see, the mirror is very nice. Like I said, if you want your bathroom to look like a 5-star hotel, so you may check them. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. This is the button. You can turn it on and off. You can just change the color of the light that you want. They are dimmable and everything guys. As you can see, if you're going out, you're able to see everything, every imperfection, if your makeup is on point, if everything is nice on you. So guys, it's a perfect mirror to have, so while you're in your bathroom you don't have to do nothing else. As you can see, very nice, and I really like it. I really like the shape and everything about it guys. So make sure to check the link down below if you're looking for something like this. Over here guys, I have some cotton ball, soap, and towel, hand towel, bath towel, and everything. Just make it so functional, so whenever a guest come in, so the bathroom is super well organized for them to use. You see what I mean? So you don't want to leave your bathroom just like that. You just have to make it so welcoming for the guests when they come in. As you can see, I really love the way everything is. So the link of everything that I use in the video gonna be in the description box down below. If it's something you like, you may check it down. Okay guys, as you can see, the mirror is so pretty. Love the lights, so you're able to see your makeup, your face, everything, all the imperfection. Over here, my sister going to add a glass, just like a door glass, to finish up with the bathroom sometime next week. But I just wanted to finish with the video. I couldn't wait. So guys, I know when everything is done, it's gonna be super beautiful. And the bathroom like that is already pretty, but with everything set up, it's gonna be better. And guys, this one I wanted to add a wall art, but it's not coming yet, so I just leave it as is. And those flowers, you know guys, it's fall season. I just want to add little fall touch, but not overdo. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue guys. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager à tous mes abonnés. Un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. C'est la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si pas la première fois, tout merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos. Moi There's a lot of work to be done in the bathroom, guys. I didn't want to overdo, but I just want it very nice and very presentable whenever her guests come over so they can feel welcome. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think. Put your faith in me. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.